Sometimes good deeds come before good intentions. A good heart is something earned, but don't be discouraged. Keep moving forward, and I promise you, your good deeds are not in vain. After years of disregard for right and wrong, you managed to do something good. Even an attempt at helping humanity for popularity's sake could eventually change your heart. Because if you do enough good for the world, eventually you'll start seeing the desperate need for it. A good heart isn't born overnight. It breaks an awful lot to get there.